Hello, here we have the Thule 970 Xpress 2-bike carrier as it comes out of the packaging. Virtually no assembly is required on this carrier, just slacken off the two knobs to the top of the carrier as far as they'll go, lift the arm up, retighten the knob, same on the other side, slacken off as far as you go. Thule have very thoughtfully put stops on the end of these screws here so that you can't go too far and lose the knob. Tighten up on both sides, slacken off the straps which are assembled like so, and that's it assembled, ready for use.